I have a butterfly journal with charms up here on the top. I actually did not realize I didn't have a walkthrough of this journal. It's got 3 signatures, fabric cover. I used corrugated cardboard for the cover with a photo of a butterfly and some jewels on it with little dangles there, slow stitching on the cover. You open it up and the first page is made of, oh, I can't even think today. First page is a music page that has lace across it and handmade papers. And you have pockets that have been stitched in, some of them. This one is with tags. Another pocket with a tuck with a tag and a butterfly. This one has a journaling card and another journaling card right there. This is some beautiful paper right here with machine sewn lace on it. Some more handmade paper. Sewn lace. So all of the lace on here is sewn on by machine. You can see where the decorative pages. My tag that has a pocket on both sides. Some more of that handmade paper. Here is a pocket with tags and tucks and journaling cards. Has hand-sewn fabric. And it's on a music page. The next signature also has a music page with handmade papers and lace. There's another pocket with tags. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Have a little bag, a journaling card in it. Has some stitched down fabric that I put on here. A journaling card, little tuck spot there. Has a little notebook with little pockets on the inside. A flip out that has sewing on it with a ledger paper, some more of that handmade paper. Here I took and put seed packets on the page. I like putting coloring books pages in here. This is some, I don't think it's coffee dyed. Yes, it is. It's coffee dyed, but this coloring came from another page that was on top of it that was colored. Have a pocket here, a flip, little tuck with the trim. There's a little envelope, another little pocket, journaling card. This opens up. Have a chicken from Christie's Printables. This is embossed. I didn't mention the other ones, but this purple and the blue have embossing on them. Here is another journaling card with a hand dyed or a coffee dyed envelope with the page. Some more music paper with trim on it. Some more book things. Some more book tucks right here. This is an envelope that I designed. Guest check with 2 butterflies sewn on it. And I'm not sure what kind of material this is. I want to say it's like a, not lace, but it's a sheer fabric that's been sewn. The page has been sewn all the way around. Then you have this page that has fabric tabs and stuff. Some more handmade papers. This is coffee dyed. Another one of those. Looks like I stuck it on there. Pretty fairy trying to reach this piece of lace. A little tag with another spot behind it. There's the other side of that envelope. This one actually has 2 pieces of lace on it. And you have a little pocket right there with the 1883 calendar. This opens, flips open. And there's a guest check in this vellum. There's a vellum backed pocket. Over here there's a fairy. Then in here I have extras that go with this. All of these go in there. Little card tuck, and here's another one. Another envelope. Some more with the burlap and a flower. So thank you so much for stopping by and doing a walkthrough of this journal with me. I will get the video posted, and it is listed in my Etsy shop if you're interested. Thank you, and you have a great day.